So today's topic is we have to go through lab4 exercise. We have to display a purchase order for 60 off-road helmets and 150 road helmets from vendor Olympic Gear. The purchase was order created by purchasing order. Now what we are going to do is that we have to see how that process has been done. So first of all, we will go opening SAP. After opening SAP, we are going toward purchasing order, my purchasing order document. So after clicking on it, we can see that these the purchasing order screen gonna bring some sort of other window in which a lot of things are displayed. We can see over here overview, purchasing requirement. Now we are going to what purchasing order. When we are going to click on it, we see two different sort of orders appearing over here, and we can see the record as well. So after that, what we can do, if we need further help, we gonna press F4, and if we are going further, we select supplier and we will enter from the supplier ID. We're gonna enter the code, which is 101999. After that, the next window gonna appear and we can see the other records. Then we can click on purchase orders. What we see that what sort of orders gonna purchase and who are the purchasers. We can see their info as well here. So after completing M1, we're gonna click on the home button and we are directed toward home, and the launchpad gonna appear in our Windows screen. The next thing we're gonna do is material document. We are playing with it now. So the next thing is that when we are clicking on material document, which is appearing in material tab, so when we are clicking it, the enter when and then receipt number gonna written over there. Then press we have to press on go. When we are pressing on go, we see a lot of standard records are appearing on the system that will display the goods receipts documents. That documents contain some sort of information as well. After performing that, double click on material on the material documents number. You can find more information as well there. And this is one more thing. This is the last screenshot which I took, which I have added in my lab. So what I did is that we can see that documents, notes as well, general information and item and attachment and how a document gonna flow. We can see over here. Scroll down the data flow wherever we want. We're gonna enter and we're gonna see the current status of the purchase process from material documents, and we can see the how data going to be flow in documents. So we are seeing purchase order and material document. So first of all, we see that some person gonna purchase something, then it will go toward the material order, and this is M2, and when we click on home button, it will again launch us onto the launch pad. So M3 invoices, we can see that vendors who gonna we can see invoices of the vendors. This task includes that the vendor Olympic Protective Gear has sent the invoices with 5 to 50 USD dollars for the good delivered. This invoice was entered into the system manually. The posting of invoice occurs within the existing system, and in general and generates an open item accounts payable. We can see invoices works here. So first of all, what we can do is we will go onto the launchpad by seeing by purchasing document. If you are suffering, you can't find anything, you're gonna simple go into the search bar and type this my purchasing document item or whatever you want to look for. You can easily access that. After going there, you can click on F4 button and enter 11999 in supplier ID and choose go button and go for Olympic failure. When you see the items, that you can click on it, and after clicking on it, choose OK. After choosing OK, you can see that a lot of invoices into the screen, and you can see the data, what sort of invoices and what are the quality, who are the purchasing documents gonna purchased material as well. After that, you're gonna see in next tab, you're gonna see invoices status, invoices values as well. So after that, you are directed toward the home button, and when you are clicking on the home button, you are directed toward home launchpad. So in M4 we display the payment to the vendor we're gonna display. So first of all, again, we are selecting manage journal entries where the entry is gonna be managed. After that, we're gonna go click on go, and you will see the following document screen. Please note that depending on the screen studies you solved before, see more journal entries, search for your document number. After searching on number, you're gonna see a list of code, and after selecting on it, you are directed toward a list where you can see the buyers, the journal entries, and the amount which I had paid over there. After clicking on home button, to return for launchpad menu, the number fifth process you can do is supply line item. In order to display the vendor line item, use the app manage supply line items. Click on supply line items, click on Olympic protective gear and choose go, select your supplier and press OK. And you can also see that screen after doing that, and while selecting items you can press on go. You can see here screen which is appearing in front of you. A lot of entries are here. After clicking on that entries which I click and which I take screenshot, whatever you can show, we wanna show, you can click just over here and press OK. All the things gonna be saved and restore and later on used by yourself if you want so. And that's it. That's the work which I have did. So now I will show you my work, what I have done. So that's the work. That was the lab processes that I explained. So that's the work, the steps which I had followed, and these steps are the same, which bring a lot of success after following that. So you can see all the steps are being performed here. And one more thing is that after going step by step, you never be confused because each and everything is defined. So yeah, that's the work for lab 4.